Hey, we're picking up our cousin from Samoan, so be easy on him, man. His English ain't all that great, so, you know, Samoan's his first language, so be easy on him, all right?
Oh man, just great.
Tale, what's up, Boos?
Alonso.
What's up, cuz? Welcome to America, man. Welcome to America.
Yeah, it's really proud to be in America. Yeah, I come to America to put the money in my pocket.
Who's this, Asuelo?
Got it! Yeah, cause I don't like throw the bus at anybody. Got it!
All right, Oos. Yeah, we're probably gonna head back to the crib, man. We're gonna go, I don't know, watch a Marvel movie or something, yeah?
Oh yeah, I love movie.
My favorite Marvel character is Captain America. Yeah, my brother. Tell him, who's your favorite character?
I like the Hulk, man.
See that? See, he likes Incredible Hulk.
Yeah, because I'm buff like the Hulk.
What about you? Who's your favorite character?
Oh, me. What for some more pussy? See, is it? My favorite guy is the black Benty.
Sorry.
You kind of fine.
Sorry.
You kind of fine.
Sorry. Fop. Oh gosh, I'm sorry. Let's go home and watch the Black Panther.
This is Bango!
Mapay-o-go ng imasta Maewi fo a makaluyo ka nga kamasaw kililaw kautala Kalango amay nga opo mo mafanga Ileyo o isi maumanga Pabaluong ipopo mafayo sa saka Upa kileo lifi against